So, welcome back, guys. It's been a long time since I last saw you, but basically I'm going to try to just, go back to filming. I'm not gonna promise you anything, but I'm gonna try. So essentially, my first video back is just gonna be me doing a unboxing. I recently made a couple of purchases from Ulta, from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and from Paris Lash Academy, because I am a eyelash technician, so I do have to buy a lot more supplies for my clients. So let me grab whatever I bought. Give me 1 second. Okay, so where are my mirrors? My mirrors. So essentially, if you are not aware, this is such a bad timing because of everything going on in the beauty community. But basically, I bought some stuff from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and that stuff had to do with Shane Dawson as well. So I bought a couple of their mirrors. I actually bought all of them. Problem, I know. So I have the pink, the green, and the blue. I had the black. Well, I still have it. I have the black mirror. Now the problem with this mirror is it broke. I was so sad when this broke, guys. You have no idea. The size of this mirror is so convenient. Like, you don't need anything else, just that mirror alone. I was even able to put it on my ring light before and everything. So I was really sad when it broke, but it's okay. I have a backup and a backup to the backup and the backup to the backup to the backup. So I have this one here, which is, oh, hi, which is the, I want to say like tealish, bluish, platinumish thing. So there's that one. I don't know if you guys want me to unbox all of them, but seeing as though you can't really tell me your opinion, I'm going to do it anyways. So there's that one, and then there's this green one. Ooh, it's glitter green. I did not know that. Okay, I should have probably grabbed scissors. 1 second. Okay, I have my little scissors from Soft Touch. They're actually eyebrow scissors, but it's okay. They serve a purpose, which is to cut stuff. So let's open this bad boy up. I have so many mirrors now. I'm so excited. Ooh, it is glittery. Look. But guys, I'm telling you, the size of this mirror is just so, it grabs my whole face, and I have a big head, so like it fits my whole face in the mirror. I love it. And yes, I know I'm not wearing any makeup and my hair is a mess because you know what? I'm au naturel today. I've just said whatever. It's too late. I'm not going to go and do any of my makeup. I might have to do it later because of because I'm a live streamer, and the platform that I have to film on or live stream on, I kind of have to look presentable. So, let's see. Here is the pink one. It's so cute, guys. Tell me it's not, is it the, I think it's the size of my face, yeah. Tell me it's not cute. I'm sorry, like, I know there's a lot going on right now with them, but I still love the stuff. Like, like I just, it's a predicament. Alright, so those are the mirrors that I bought from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And then I also had to get my hands on the cremated palette from Jeffree Star. Now this one, I missed the initial launch, so I tried to purchase it again. I got it, luckily. Like I said, guys, I know this is a bad timing because of everything going on, and I'm just like, I'm sorry, don't judge me off of it. I already bought it beforehand. So yeah, okay, here it is. This is the palette. This is the cremated palette. Oh my gosh. Like, look at that palette. It looks so nice. And they say that this palette is a complementary palette to the Jawbreaker. So, this is the Jawbreaker palette. Now, if I open it up, you'll see the difference in the shades. You see? One is rainbow and one is all black and white grayscale. I like that. Like, I feel like just using these two palettes, you won't really need anything else. Granted, I have too many palettes, but it's okay. So that will go there. Let me put the other one there as well. And then I'm going to start looking at the stuff that I bought from Ulta. I didn't get too much from Ulta, actually. I was pretty good about controlling myself this time. I'm trying not to spend too much on makeup. Granted, I have a big order from Sephora coming. I don't know when it's supposed to arrive, but they had a really good sale. They had the 50% off sale for the 4th of July, and so I got a couple of palettes. But, hold on. Okay, so now for the Ulta stuff. I went ahead and bought some stuff that I needed. Like, that's it. For me, this is nothing. Compared to what I usually get, I'm controlling myself. So, I noticed that I don't have any powder foundation, like this one. I don't even know what this is called. Yeah, foundation powder. But it's the compact one where it's like all pushed in and you need like a brush to get it off. So I bought 2 of the Bye Bye foundation from It Cosmetics in 2 different shades just in case. Like, I wasn't sure what my shade range was or my shade was, and I have neutral, medium, and light. I'll see later how they perform. I'm interested in finding out if it works or not because I feel like it would be easier to apply this than to have to go and apply the actual foundation all the time. But I don't know. People swear by powder foundation, so I'm willing to give it a try. I had the loose powder before by Bare Minerals. That one was good as well, but I feel like I should probably try this one just to make it more easy for me to use, I guess. I don't know. So then I also bought the Juvia's Place multi-purpose foundation stick. I don't know why I got so much foundation, but I got this as well. And this one, same thing. I feel like it would be super simple. You just put it on your face and then just blend it out. So I'm going to have to get back to you guys on this and that one and see how it works for my skin because I have always used regular foundation, you know, like the one in the liquid form. So we'll see how it happens or how it works. I don't know. And then on top of that, I bought the Brow Contour by Benefit Cosmetics, this little brow pencil thing. The only reason I bought this was because I was looking at some videos of the worst reviewed makeup artists, and one of the ladies actually used this, and the girl who did the video said that that was the best part of the whole, her whole appointment was the fact that she used this pencil because of how good it is. And initially what it is, it's literally, you remember those pens that we would use in like, okay, I'm dating myself, but in middle school or elementary school, the ones where you click and it's like different colors, that's what it is. I find that so interesting. So they have your definer, your highlighter, your lighter shade, and deeper shade. So it has a couple of different things. You can just push them all out. My only thing is, how do you, oh, I don't know. I don't know what is it. Oh, that's how it is. Okay, so you have to like kind of push it back like this, and it'll make the actual product come out. So there's that. Now, I don't know how long you guys have been sticking around for, or if you've seen a couple of my previous videos, but essentially what I love about shopping at Ulta versus Sephora in most cases is the fact that they include a lot of free samples, like an insane amount. So because I made that purchase, I did qualify for a few free samples, and one of them was actually this palette. This is by Juvia's Place. It is the Saharan palette. And I have a couple of their palettes already. They're amazing quality, phenomenal. And so this is the palette. It's cute little design in the front. And then when you open it, it has these colors. You see? I like them. There's a few glitter, there's a few matte. It's just a perfect combination. So I'm really excited to give this one a try because that's actually one of the few that I was missing in my collection. So good job, Ulta. And then all the samples come in this little baggie. Next thing I have is a Tula Skincare Get Toned Resurfacing Toner. I have so much toner, I don't use any of it, but you know, I should probably try to use something for my skin. Although I will say I have been applying more moisturizers. Like I said, guys, I'm not wearing anything right now. I look like a freaking hoodlum, and it's just, it's whatever. It's too late now. I'm already filming this. I actually was in the mood to film today, so I'm taking advantage of it, and I'm going to film. And I feel like, yeah, I'm here already. And then we have, what is this? This is for girls. I'm going to put this over there. It's something for us. This is Lucky Bamboo water gel. 9 packets of water gel. For what? For the eyes? I'm guessing it's for the eyes. I'm not sure, but it comes in this little box. And then when you open it, this is so interesting. Oh, it's not for the eyes. Oh, this is so cute. Lucky Bamboo water gel. Apply to clean dry face, neck and décolleté twice daily. Water and broad spectrum. Oh, it has SPF. It's this little tiny packet. So that's adorable. That's what I like about Ulta. They just include a lot of skincare. They include some really good makeup items. Like Juvia's Place, like I know that it's not expensive at all, but at the same time, it's a really good brand. The quality is amazing, so for them to include that in their free packets or free samples, that's actually really good. And then I also got this by Sexy Hair, Pure Addiction, Mimosa Oil, and Moonstone. I think this is a dry shampoo. I don't know. I'm not good with hair. I don't know what this is. If you know what it is, comment down below because I'm not too familiar with anything hair related, as y'all can tell. Guys, wow, I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Like, it's just me. Ooh. A clarifying scalp scrub by Perfect Shine. Color safe and paraben free. That's actually kind of cool. It's a scrub for your head. I haven't heard of this before. So, like I've been saying, I'm going to test it out and let you guys know. Then we have the Boscia Luminizing Black Charcoal Mask. This thing is so good. I have used it a couple of times from other free samples that I've gotten, and I actually really, really like it. It does its purpose. And then I also got this by Kula Refreshing Water Mist with sunscreen. Oh, it has sunscreen in the water. That's cool. It's a little spray. They include everything, I swear. They have hair, they have face, they have makeup. And then this is the Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. Philosophy, purify is finding balance and embracing our true selves. Oh, that's the definition of philosophy. Okay. But it's an ultralight moisturizer. I will be using this. Like I said, I've been using a lot of moisturizer lately, and I've noticed that it does help me. I feel better throughout the day when I have it on. I haven't put any on yet, I'm sorry. And then we also have, ooh, Smashbox Vitamin Glow Primer. I didn't know they had this. They have a primer with vitamins in it. That's smart. That should be like what every brand has. That's actually really cool. I like that. And then we have a tan towel, Good Look Good Naked. What is this? Oh, it's a self-tan towel. I don't use self-tanner, guys. I tried it once. I looked like a freaking orange. It was really, really bad. So I've learned my lesson. I'm not using self-tanners anymore. And then Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. This is, I don't know what this is. It's a styling cream. Okay. Hair, I'm sorry, but hair, just not my forte. And then we have Juice Beauty Stem Cellar 2-in-1 Cleanser. Yes, by Juice Beauty. It's a cleanser. This thing, I know I've used it before, and it smells so freaking good. It smells like Fruit Loops. I just love it. Watch me be wrong, but I think this is the one that I've been using. Hold on. Yes, it is. It smells like Fruit Loops, and I love using it because I don't know, you feel like a whole snack after. And then we also got by First Aid Beauty the Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer Moisturizer. Do they know that I've been using moisturizer lately? What the heck? There's a lot of moisturizer here. Okay, I'm not complaining. And then the High Performance Setting Spray by Cover FX. I have a whole little bucket of setting sprays. Let me show you guys. Like, I love setting sprays. My little bucket. I have a couple of different brands, and there's also like mini ones in the bottom. But I have a few, you know. I could get more. So, there's that. And then we also have the Confidence in a Cream by It Cosmetics cream. It's a little tiny portion of it, and it's really cute. I have been using that. I really like it as well. It does really nourish the under eyes, and it helps avoid getting bags under there, so I like it. And then we have Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. This, it's okay. Not the best. I've tried this for a couple of clients as well as myself, and I just feel like it doesn't really get everything off. I have been using the Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. This thing is amazing, guys. I really feel like it takes off literally everything. I use this mainly for when I just do a quick little makeup look and I want to take it off really easily. This thing, it takes it off, it doesn't leave any residue. It is oil free, so because I do lash extensions, I always recommend that my clients buy this. It fits the criteria of what you should be doing after you wear makeup if you have lash extensions. So there's that. And it looks like that's really it for everything. Oh, never mind. I bought one more thing. Okay, so last but not least, they had this on sale as well for Ulta. I think it was during the 4th of July thing too. And it is a moisturizer, cause what else? This is by Hemp's. The secret is in the seed. I like this one because of the bottle. Like, you see how it is? It's so colorful and it's dripping, and it's just, I don't know, it adds a little bit of oomph to wherever you put it. This one is the Pride and Passion Fruit Punch Herbal Body Moisturizer. I have to smell it, guys. I'm sorry. I just really wanted to smell it since I got it. Ooh. So I have the mango something one, and that one, oh my god, like, it sucks that it's summer right now and you can't really use moisturizer because we're already sweating, so we don't need anything to really, you know, hydrate. But I'm trying to find any excuse to put that on. Like, if I feel like a little tiny dry patch on my hand, I'm just like, okay, moisturizer it is. It just smells so good. I love really fruity scents, and this and that is just amazing. But it looks like that's really it for right now. I may do my makeup, or I may not. I do have to live stream right now, so I may be back, but I don't really know. I don't know what to tell you, but this is my first video back. I hope to be making a couple more videos. I've missed recording. Okay, so I haven't really missed editing, but I have missed the whole posting and, you know, just getting that excitement of hitting publish on things. But that's all that I have today. So thank you guys for sticking around and watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. There will be potentially more videos coming up. You never know. I am very up there when it comes to my consistency. I know it's awful, but little by little. Oh my gosh, guys, we forgot a complete other section of this unboxing. I forgot my Parent/Academy stuff. So essentially, I don't even know if you guys will like this. So I'm going to make another video right now for this because this is only pertaining to lash technicians. It's for the supplies that we use. So I'll see you in a little bit. But okay, guys, thank you so much for sticking around. I really freaking appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!